Hi everyone, welcome back to Ital Kitchen. For today's video, we'll be making a sea moss punch with peanut. Stay tuned. So to begin this sea moss punch, I'm going to blend a handful of raw peanuts in my blender with a little water. I want to achieve a very creamy consistency, so I want the peanut to be blended out really smoothly in this smoothie. So here we're gonna go ahead and blend this up together before proceeding. So you can put this simple smoothie together and it will serve as a quick lunch idea or as a breakfast idea. So this can be a breakfast smoothie as well. It is super filling. It has banana in it. It has Irish moss, which is a superfood. Irish moss or sea moss has many of the vitamins and minerals that our body needs. It has copper, iron, calcium, magnesium, and that's just to name a few. We're also adding in spices and flavoring in this smoothie to make it very creamy, to make it a very enjoyable one. So here we have added in all our ingredients: frozen banana, vanilla, nutmeg or cinnamon powder, Irish moss, and we're just blending all of this together along with the peanuts that we blended previously. So blend it, we whip it together to get it very smooth, and then we just pour and serve. You can see how rich and creamy that is, and it is indeed very tasty. You should definitely give this one a try. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for joining us on Ital Kitchen this time around. Eat well, walk good. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delights and recipes. Blessed love.